Here's a story of a serial sodomizing scumbag, Officer Marcellus Blackwell. He's a prime example of why we need to always keep a watchful eye on the police to expose any violations of their policy or violations of civil rights, human rights, and this is quite the violation. Always remember to record the police, and y'all check out this video.
7 more people have come forward saying this former police officer sexually assaulted them. Now the FBI has set up a hotline for additional victims as they believe the suspected serial sex offender may have preyed on even more people that he arrested. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Our Christine Byers has been talking to federal authorities today about what makes them believe there could be more victims.
Marcellus Blackwell joined the North County Police Cooperative on May 31st, 2022. Police say between November of 2022 and June, he sexually assaulted 8 out of the 80 people he arrested or detained.
Society has a right to expect more from people who are sworn to uphold the Constitution.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Christine Krug is prosecuting the case for the feds.
His victims were not able to defend themselves. They were handcuffed, they were detained, they were taken to places where they should not have been taken.
After news broke about his first victim back in June, 7 more victims came forward with similar allegations. Now he's been indicted in federal court on civil rights violations.
We are not investigating the underlying cases that led to these victims' arrest by the defendant. We are investigating this officer's abuse of these prisoners.
Authorities say Blackwell recorded some of the alleged assaults on his cell phone.
The evidence that we have in the case does suggest there are additional victims that are as of yet unidentified.
Police say Blackwell told some of his victims he would drop their cases if they cooperated with him. Krug says there are resources for survivors.
In general, in sex offenses, it is very difficult for victims to come forward, and the courage that the victims show in any sex offense crime is to be lauded because these are definitely offenders who should be brought to justice and should be held accountable.
Christine Byers, 5 on your side.
The FBI hotline is 314-589-2682. In the federal system, there are dedicated victim advocates, programs, and resources to help support victims when they are part of a federal crime. Some of the 21 federal crimes Blackwell is now facing carry sentences of up to 40 years in prison.